Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing my makeup and showing y'all a little outfit that I put together for Instagram photos. And yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna be doing in this video. I hope I don't delete this footage because my head is too big for me to be wearing anything straight back like this. It's too big. But yeah, let me show y'all my hair though. Let me show y'all my hair. Like it's so cute. But I do hope you guys enjoy the video and just keep watching. So I'm starting out with my eyebrows already done, and if you're an OG, you know I'm using the ColourPop brow pencil. So next I'm going to take this Milk Hydro Grip Primer and put that all over my skin. And I really like this because it makes your foundation and all other makeup stick to your face. Like, it don't move at all. Next I'm going to go in with the NARS Natural Longwear Creamy Radiate Foundation. I'm going to take a Real Technique brush and just buff that all into my skin, under my neck and chin area, just to get everything evenly blended. So here I'm just going over my foundation with the beauty blender because I used the wrong foundation brush, so I was a little oily. It was sitting on top of my skin. So next I'm gonna take this concealer. I forgot the name of it. But I'm gonna put that all underneath my eyes, and I started to do it the way that other people do it, but I'm like, no, I'm just gonna do it the way that works for me. I ain't about to be hopping on all these makeup trends, you know. I'm doing what works for me. And I'm gonna go in and blend it out. And I learned that when you blend from the edge and then up, it's better. You get fuller coverage, you have full control over the concealer, so it literally goes wherever you want it to go. So after you have blended out your concealer, you want to go in with your foundation brush and blend out the edges. That way nobody will see where your concealer starts, where it ends. It's going to blend seamlessly with the foundation, and you want to do that everywhere that you conceal. So I'm taking the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and I'm just placing that everywhere I place concealer. Sometimes I place it a little heavy and I do bake a little bit because I do crease underneath my eyes, and when I start to crease, it's immediately. So I have to set heavy with my setting powder. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour palette, and I forgot the shade name, but I'm taking that one in the middle and I'm just going to contour my cheeks, and I'm going to do the best that I can because I'm really not a contour goddess yet, you know. But I do have a natural contour on my jawline, so I just basically follow that. And I tried to do my forehead, but y'all, it is so huge, like so huge. It's annoying, so it really does not help contouring. So I'm just gonna wipe all of this off like that, you know. And I forgot to set my contour, so I'm really trying to blend it out and make it look even and not so dusty and just thrown up there. Now I'm going to take this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I really love this. This is like my favorite setting spray ever because of the way that it comes out, and it's just so perfect. Morphe, you did your thing with this because that's just so perfect. I love it. Now I'm gonna go in with this highlighter. I did not show y'all the highlighter because the company that I got it from, they are no longer in business, but I'm gonna still use my products, okay, because it was $36. So I'll try to find a dupe for y'all though. And look at my child, want to be in the camera so bad. He want his 5 minutes of fame, so I'm gonna give it to him. There you go. I didn't even realize the camera wasn't on his face or whatever. And yeah, that's the finished look. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I haven't figured out how to fix this part of the video yet, so it's just whatever. Y'all can't even see nothing, but y'all see my outfit. It's cute. It's cute. I tagged everything on Instagram, so go on my Instagram and look. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. Show me some love, and I'll see y'all in my next video.